Yes, that day, in fact, they met me, about 11 or 12 MDCs. They complaining about the conduct of business in their house. And I think it is also a very, very unprecedented conduct, because when you do the presentation of budget, any presentation of budget, the question of voting does not arise. But at that particular day, I don't know wrongly or I can't say much, but the chairman, what he did was, when the presentation of budget was completed, then he called the house for voting, which is totally wrong. It's, as I said, very, very much unprecedented, which I personally feel chairman has to also do a lot of homework to make sure that when he conduct the business inside the house, it should be done as per the rules, because they do have the 80 rules, or if not 80 rules, they can even go to the rules of procedure and conduct of business of assembly, or the rules of procedure and conduct of business of the parliament. No, not necessarily. This one, ultimately, member of this council themselves, I think they need to discuss this from both sides, treasury and also the opposition. They need to sit down, because I don't think we need to create such bad precedents. Because in future, other generation, the next generation, they may also follow those convention that has happened wrongly. Then it looks very bad. I think it is their duty, being the public representative, to understand the responsibility, how to behave, the manner where you are sent to be the member of this house.